for a library that will be the library I have someday. So let's go out and see the views outside, right? Tomorrow we're doing the beach. I can't wait for that. Just so freaking relaxing and amazing. Like I can't even. So we're getting ready to head up and see more up this way. Alright guys, change of plans. Went up, it was locked, so clearly it's closed. Either they're on lunch or it's just not open right now, which is a bummer. But I think that means I'm heading back to the hostel. Maybe I'll try a little later to see if it's open. Probably not, to be truthful. So let's go back and do some work. Alright guys, so the museum was closed like I said, so I just took a day to kind of just relax and chill. And I think, yeah, so tomorrow is the beach, and super stoked. I'm just a slight bit annoyed with the upload speed for YouTube, so a new video should be coming out today at some point. I'm gonna finish working on this. I'm gonna go get some food, and then I'll have to come back and do this. So yeah. Alright guys, this is where I'm ending it for today. We'll see you in the morning. Oh hey, wait. By the way, let me know in the comments below if you guys ever plan to come to Montenegro. Do you know where Montenegro is? Like, if so, and if you have been, what was your favorite city? Alright guys, leave that in the comments below, and we'll chat a little bit tomorrow. Bye. Alright guys, good morning, Shadows. So it's about 10 a.m. give or take a few minutes, and I am heading to hold on, and I'm headed to do my beach day. I extended for just this purpose, just because I wanted a day to kind of relax and maybe work a little more on my tan, and just chill. Tomorrow we'll be heading to Kotor for 3 nights. I kind of weighed options on what hostel I was going to stay in, because I've heard a lot of stuff about partying, and I'm not really down for that, but it's so inexpensive, and I'm going to get a free reward, hopefully free laundry, boom boom. So we'll probably stay at the Old Town, see all the cool stuff, kind of chill, and then we'll be to Podgorica, and then to Bulgaria. So yeah, let's start this fantastic day. By the way guys, I forgot to mention, we're heading to a beach called Montenegro 1 and Montenegro 2. They're supposed to be connected by this really cool like cave, so I thought that would be kind of fun for some Instagram pictures. Yeah, so I forgot to tell you that, so I thought I'd tell you. Here we go. Alright guys, so we stopped at this restaurant called Green. We get a little discount from the hostel and everything. Just chilling in a beautiful relaxation period. Nice music. I got a nice salad and some bruschetta. And then once we're done here, head back, like I said, shower, get comfortable, and all that kind of jazz. So yeah, that's the plan. I think I got a little sun, but it's hard to tell until I shower. So here's fingers crossed.